Resize tables, columns, and rows in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how can resize your table. Okay. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here we are. So this is my table. Okay. So you can change the table size like this. Okay. So what you need to do? Okay, so basically your table size depends on your content. Okay, so in my case I have only one word in every cell, so and there is a lots of you know you can see the column here. Okay, so if you want to, if on my table like this, okay, so you need to just drag this middle line. You have to just keep your cursor on this middle line, and this symbol, when this symbol is show, just click on it, hold it, and just you can drag the your column or cell. Okay, so now, okay, this is how you can increase decrease your cell. For column you can increase decrease your size like this. Okay, so, and there is a few more option, like if you want to divide the same size for two columns or three or row, more than one row or columns, you need to just select that row or column like this. Okay, just right click on it and you can distribute the row or columns. Just select to distribute row, that your row will be distributed like this. Okay, it will be same size for row, and when you right click and go to the distribute columns, then your column will be distributed with the same size. Okay, you can do this with manually, like just select the all table or column like this, and just select the middle line, so it will be applied for the all line. Okay, when you select any line of columns or row, it will be the size will be applied to the all column or row, because you have select the multiple row at once. Okay, same as you can change the size of other row or columns. Okay, so there is a two option, you can make the manually, or here you can see you can distribute the row size or distribute the column size. So it is only distribute the same size for row and columns. Okay, these are two option only where you can change size. So that is how you can change your size columns. You can change size of columns and row in Google Docs table. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.